Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear all viewers and subscribers, you know I always try to bring very useful update and stylish content for you. So please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's talk about outfit ideas. You can wear a white shirt with blue jeans. It's a classic look. Or try a red dress, it's perfect for night out. If you want to mix and match, wear a yellow top with green pants. It's fun and playful. You can also wear a black jumpsuit. It's same simple and stylish. Add a floral skirt and white top. It's a great combination. Don't forget to leather jacket. It's cool and edgy. Try a silver top with black pants. It's glamorous. Or a purple dress with boots. It's chic. Wear a pink top with white pants. It's sweet. Or a blue dress with sandals. It's perfect for summer. You can wear a green top with black pants. It's stylish. Or a yellow dress with sneakers. It's casual. How about a striped top with black pants? It's great look. Or a polka dot dress with heels. It's playful and fun. You can wear a diamond jacket with a white top and jeans. It's casual and cool. My dear friends, don't forget about accessories like a statement necklace or a simple belt. They can make or break an outfit. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So have fun and experiment with different looks. Try a metallic top with black pants. It's glamorous. Or a floral dress with sandals. It's perfect for spring. Wear a black top with white pants. It's a chic. Or a red dress with heels. It's stunning. Just remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So have fun and experiment with different looks. You can wear a yellow top with black pants, is bright and cheerful, or a green dress with boots, is stylish and chic. Try a yellow sundress with sneakers. Add a denim jacket for a casual look. Wear a blue top with white pants. Accessorize with simple necklace. Feel stylish, feel yourself. Go for a pink dress with heels. Add a leather jacket for an edgy look. Wear a grey top with black pants. Accessorize with a statement handbag. Try a floral shirt with a white top. Add a guardian for a cozy look. Wear a black jumpsuit with heels. Accessorize with bold cocktail ring. Feel glamorous, feel amazing. Go for a coral dress with sandals. Add a white blind hat with a chic look. Wear a navy top with white pants. Accessorize with simple belt. Feel confident, feel beautiful. My dear viewers, try a plaid shirt with black pants, add a leather jacket for an aggy look, wear a gold dress with heels, accessorize with a clutch bag, feel confident, feel beautiful. Go for a lavender top with white pants, add a guardian for a cozy look. Wear a purple dress with boots, accessorize with floppy hat. Feel stylish, feel yourself.